welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bossy, and today I am here with a final review update on this hair that I have in my head. This actually is a lace front wig that I received from DYHAIR777, and this is the Brazilian Jerry curl wig. Now, before I get into what I think about this hair, if I think you should purchase it, and my final thoughts on this hair, a lot of you guys have been asking me via Snapchat and Instagram, and of course mainly on my YouTube channel, what styles I can do with this hair. And then a couple of you asked also, how do I do the little two twists that I have in my head when I wear this sometimes. So it's really easy, but I guess I'll just go ahead and show you guys. All I use is hairpins, and my hair is already detangled and moisturized and everything like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do the two twists. So what I do to achieve my two twists, I just take my unit, because I have it in the middle part, but I take my unit and it's not glued down, and I just shift it. I shift it. So I shift it to where my part is right here, as y'all can see. And then once it's shifted, I just take a section of hair to about right here. Like I said, y'all, this is super easy. This is how much hair I use. And I just begin to twist. So I just take some hair, and of course your hair has to be detangled, and I just begin to twist. It's really easy, y'all. This is just something I do with my curly hair when I want to change it up a little bit. But like I said, it's super easy to do. And then I'm going to show you guys. I kind of do a little extra at the end, which I'm going to show y'all. But I'm pretty sure anyone can do this. It just takes the little hairstyle to a different level. And you can twist it all the way down, but I don't. I leave about this much. Then I'll pull it behind, like so. And this is how it'll look when it's tightly twisted. You can loosen it sometimes, and sorry y'all, I'm getting a little sick. Sometimes I do loosen it, and I just take a bobby pin or hairpin like that, and then I'll do the other side as well. So I just take some hair, and this side is not as big, of course, but I'll just start twisting. Pull this behind me, and there's my little style. You can loosen the braid if you want. You don't have to. It just looks like this. Nothing crazy. Let's go ahead and get into what I think about this hair. So like I was saying, this is Brazilian Jerry curl hair. This is what the unit is, and this unit is in a 22 inch. And you guys, I must say I've enjoyed wearing this unit so much. Like I say, I get compliments on it. It doesn't make any sense how many people have asked me, what bundles are those, girl? Ooh, where'd you get that unit from? And this and that. Like, a lot of people love how this hair looks. Now, as far as the maintenance on it, like I said, all I use is water, maybe some foaming mousse, even some conditioner in my water bottle. Shake it up, put it on the hair, and this is what the curls look like. Now, you have to make sure you have enough, like make sure it's enough to where you can get the effect you're looking for, because of course if you don't put that much product on the hair, then it won't be as defined. So with less product, it's less defined, and this unit can get really big, and I didn't want mine to get super big, so I never let it get that big. Now I do know sometimes when I'm you know, going out or whatnot, and say I don't really tame the hair. It might have been tamed semi, but once I get in the elements, the hair gets bigger if I didn't do my normal routine to this hair. So when I went dancing, I noticed it got bigger. So I had my scrunchie on hand, so I was able to put it in a ponytail because I had just had it in the middle part and it was just out. And it wasn't tamed or anything. I hadn't tamed it for like a whole day, but it still looks good. But I noticed it got bigger throughout, you know, the time I was out. I really do like the construction of this unit. It is made very well. The combs in the wig don't bother me. There are combs at the top, the side, and the back, but they don't bother me or anything. The hooks, I haven't really used the adjustable strap hooks in the back, because this unit seems to fit my head just right. But of course, I have a bigger head, so hey. So if your head is smaller and you want to try this unit, I would suggest you use those adjustable straps in the back. But the shedding, it's normal shedding once you, like, of course it's curly hair, so there's a little more maintenance because, you know, the curls get intertwined amongst each other, so you are going to have to detangle the hair. I highly suggest you do it when it's wet though. Do not detangle this hair when it is dry at all, or you are going to ruin your unit. You know how sometimes you get a unit or you make a unit and after you've worn it for some time now, the frontal part of the unit will start to, some of the hair will start to come out of it. No hair has came out. None of my lace has torn or anything like that. I really just have been having a good time with this. This hair is just an easy go hairstyle because it's curly. You don't have to worry about, like I said, putting heat to it or anything like that. It's just a grab it and go. Now, I did probably a week or so ago secure my unit down with my Got2b gel. But typically when I wear this unit, I don't glue it down because it fits my head just fine, and I do wear my wig grip underneath it that you can get off Amazon or from hair stores. It just helps keep your wig secure and on your head, and also it helps protect your edges. I wear that a lot because I take my units on and off at night. Now sometimes I will sleep in it, and if I do, I will put it up in like a little pineapple or just a little ponytail at the back, put my bonnet on. I get up in the morning, I'm good to go. I might just spritz it with some water and I'm out the door for work. But I mean, it hasn't been giving me any problems. Now, I would highly recommend this hair. This wig, I'm very impressed with how it is. By far, this is one of the better wigs that I have received. I do have a lot of wigs that are really good, but this is one of the more up there that I would recommend, or that I gravitate more than some of the others. So yeah, you guys should really check out DYHAIR777. I'm really impressed with this hair. This is my second wig from them, and the first wig was just as good. They haven't failed me yet, so go ahead and check them out. I will have all of their information down in the description box below. If you're interested in trying out any of their products, I would highly recommend, well, I will say the wigs, because all I have tried is their wigs. I don't know, yeah, because all I have tried is their wig, so that's the only thing that I can for sure stand by. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I have enjoyed wearing this hair. Please make sure to check out DYHAIR777, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.